What is up, Theta family? I am back bringing you another Theta Network update. I know, it's been a while. I've been enjoying my vacation. Come on, give the Sherpa that. But yeah, let's go over the Theta news. What's going on? What is happening? Well, looks like Theta EdgeCloud is just one step closer to releasing the Elite Booster launch. We're 23 days away. So, woo. So do you guys have 5,000 T-Fuel you're going to stake to that and more? Let me know in the comments if you're one of those T-Fuel whales out there. Let's continue on with the news. What's really happening today? Well, first up, Theta Edge node development and deployment blueprints are now available on AWS blockchain node running GitHub repository. You can now find the AWS Cloud repo here at the GitHub, and you can read more at the Medium article. And I know I'm going to read that for you guys, and we learn a little bit more about this. The partnership with AWS, and hearing Mitch say that we are partnering with the top AI rendering firms out there, it's like, woo, I want to know all I can. So let's take a look at this blueprint and learn a little bit more about it. So here we go. EdgeCloud collaboration with AWS Edge nodes. Let's close that out. So here we go. We're excited to announce that Theta's Edge node development and deployment blueprints are now available on AWS blockchain node runners, here in addition to Ethereum, Solana, and others, making it a major step to become a Web 3.0 hub that supports scalable smart contracts and distributed blockchain nodes. This collaboration with AWS integrates a market-leading on-demand cloud computing platform that is enterprise scale and highly scalable with Theta's existing 30,000 plus globally distributed edge nodes with over 80 petaflops of GPU computational power. Now that is a lot of GPU, guys. So woo! This means that any Theta community member or enterprise customer can easily and with minimal technical effort deploy a Theta Edge node or an Elite Edge node on AWS by simply utilizing the blueprint from AWS blockchain node runners repository. Now, any of these nodes can effectively achieve 100% uptime and maximize Edge nodes T-Fuel earnings. Now, the Theta Edge network is expected to grow significantly following the launch of Theta's EdgeCloud on May 1st, the first hybrid cloud edge computing platform for AI, video, rendering, gaming, and more. Edge nodes can execute various types of computational jobs, including AI/deep learning model training and interface, video transcoding, replaying, and 3D rendering. By running a node, anyone can contribute CPU and GPU computational bandwidth resources to earn T-Fuel tokens, and that's very nice, right? Like, I used to run it all the time on this computer right here, but then I ran it, kind of slowed down. But if you guys have a spare computer, like literally like crypto-only computer from Kalik's laptop, it's like how Benawi says, you are going to be working that machine. Then you can run many nodes on it. But yeah, once I started noticing it was like slowing down my usual stuff, it's like, let me not use this computer for my edge node. Let me just continue staking and whatnot. But yeah, just so if you're curious on how it usually works with edge nodes and your computer, does it function well? Just in my experience, just because of this computer right here, it's slowed it down a bit, and hence why I just prefer delegating my T-Fuel to another node out there. But yeah, no, if you want to be truly in ownership, run your own node. Let's continue on, though. The per AWS documentation, AWS blockchain node runners is an open source initiative aimed at simplifying the deployment of self-managed blockchain nodes. This initiative was kickstarted by AWS Solutions architects with the goal of sharing deployment blueprints and infrastructure setups that can help address the common challenges faced by customers running nodes on AWS Cloud. Now, the node runners blueprints are infrastructures as code apps that can be used to deploy blockchain nodes in different configurations, all as solo nodes and in the future as highly available setup on AWS using AWS Cloud Development Kit. The TypeScript, they essentially unlock a turnkey, easy way for individuals, data centers, cloud computing platforms, and global companies to join the Theta Edge network. And here's that diagram of a single edge network. Theta blockchain, the default VPC goes there, and these diagrams always, yeah. Now, in the above example, the AWS CDK is used to deploy a single node. The CDK application stores assets like scripts and config files in the S3 bucket to copy them to the EC2 instance when launching an edge node. So can we see that right here? Yep, so there's the Internet Gateway into the EC2. 2, a single RPC Theta Edge node is deployed within the default VPC and continuously synchronizes with the rest of the nodes on the Theta blockchain network through the Internet Gateway, which was, again, right here, step 2, making our way to the step 3 part. Now, the Theta node is accessed by the user internally, JSON RPC API. It is not exposed to the internet. To protect the node from unauthorized access, users need to SSH into the EC2 instance using Sessions Manager, interact with the RPC API, and then the Theta node sends various monitors metrics for both the EC2 instance and Edge node to the Amazon Cloud Watch. And that's basically what this is. I know, you guys probably are like, wait, what? Yeah, that's kind of how I am too right now. I'm like, unless you code and can actually utilize this, like that's you get it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just reading you this so you guys can get the information, what's been happening, what's coming out with Theta, and yeah, even though it's kind of confusing, it's still exciting. Now we're thrilled to contribute the Theta Edge node blueprint to AWS blockchain node runners repository, says Jay Long, the co-founder at CTO and Theta Labs. This is a major milestone and step forward for the Theta Edge network, and this collaboration makes it easier than ever to deploy on Theta and marks a significant inflection point into the growth of the network. So yeah, so that's it. The EdgeCloud is like making its way. We're probably here soon, probably more partnerships. Because again, they're partnering with the top three. We already know AWS is Google Cloud one, and then there's the third one. So yeah, exciting times coming for the future. So yeah, and that's not it for EdgeCloud. We even have a contest going on if you weren't aware. I think this is the last day to vote on it. But yeah, less than 1 day to vote in the General AI Art Contest Series 1 powered by Theta's EdgeCloud. Again, EdgeCloud is killing it right now since it's been released. The top 3 winners will receive their art featured on the EdgeCloud MOMA homepage. Now, to vote on these, you can get them at pollunit.com, but you do need an account. So I already made an account. I'm logged on in, and then you can see like all the contributions on here. And like to vote, I'm pretty sure you just give it the stars. And which one looks cool? You know what? I'm going to go through these a little bit later, but that's how you do if you want to vote for them. Today's the last day, and they'll be featured on the General Art AI on the General EdgeCloud. Let's see, where is it? Let me go to this page. You're going to see a billing thing. I started like a little thing saying, no, insufficient balances. But no, it's the AI showcases where you can make one of these guys. So that was all going on. I'll be all in here and showcase for you. So pretty cool. Again, that's the last day for the contest. And so let's move on. Next up, we have EdgeCloud is revolutionizing the future of film and media through the whole suite of AI and video tools. With the latest Medicane's Film 3 Squad Festival powered by Theta's proprietary studio-level DRM technology, protecting creators and fans alike. Now, I would show you, but I got to kind of update my billing on the Theta EdgeCloud, get a little payment on there, so that way I can utilize them more. Again, I started one, but no, yeah, that's like you can use the Theta EdgeCloud for all you need for the streaming services and whatnot. Like it's all over here. So AI, video services, again, can't see it, but you can see like I'll give you the options to go through it. So again, I gotta get that fixed. But yeah, so Theta's EdgeCloud is killing it. And also here, Theta's just been showcasing what's been going on these past couple of days since I've been gone. Theta's EdgeCloud supports AI developers with native integration of Jupyter Notebook, enabling devs to create and share documents containing live code equations, visualizations, and narrative text to learn more in the latest EdgeCloud blog. So yeah, there's another blog there. I am not going to read that one for you guys because we already got pretty long with the AWS and the EdgeCloud, and I was confused and never, so I'm not going to confuse it again. So let's continue it on and move on. For next up, congratulations, Lavita AI. They're proud to announce that Lavita AI has won first place in the health and wellness track at the Samsung Next 2024 Generative AI Hackathon. Speaking of hackathons, I know we got the next one coming up, but our winning proposal, Lavita Medical AI Assist, is setting new standards in AI-driven healthcare, impressing esteemed judges from Flybridge, Coma Capital, Intel Capital, USV, and Samsung Next. So thank you for the support as we lead the way. If you want to read the article yourself, I'll link it down below, but it is from Yahoo Finance, and you can learn a little bit more about them. And then even Lavita AI if you don't. Lavita AI is the blockchain AI-based next-generation healthcare platform powered by Theta EdgeCloud, and it has just secured its first place in the competitive health and wellness track. So congratulations, Lavita AI powered by Theta. That is it. So congratulations, guys. Keep up the great work, and yeah, you're going to just bring so much awareness to Theta. I love it. And lastly in the news, Pops and Mags took a very, very short vacation from season 2 because literally the next week, another fresh episode of the Pinecast is out. So check it out wherever the Pinecasts are available. So guys, take a break. Like you deserve a vacation. So I love your Pinecast, your podcast. Keep it up. I always listen to them, especially when I'm on the road, driving everywhere. So yeah, guys, it's out there. If you want a Theta podcast, Pops and Mags, Pinecast. These are the boys you want to listen to. But that should do it for this Theta Network update. Price of Theta is at $2.14. T-Fuel is around 9 cents. And we're still around like 350,000 in transactions. So can't wait till we're back above half a... All right, did we ever get to 500,000? I think we came close. But if we get to 500,000 transactions in a daily history, that's going to be crazy. But that is it for this update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.